Every photo you have ever posted, every message you have ever sent, every memory Facebook has ever reminded you of.
Meta's platforms serve over 3.2 billion people every single day, the largest daily audience in human history.
Today, Process Pulse Factory takes you inside the facility where Meta builds the servers that connect a third of the human race.
Andre has been building Meta servers since before Facebook had 1 billion users. The infrastructure he helped design now serves 3 times that number every single day.
Andre thinks about scale differently from most people. Not in server counts or petabytes line, but in conversations.
His mother lives 6,000 miles away. Every Sunday, the whole family appears on her phone screen simultaneously.
Shift starts, and somewhere on this floor to me, a Meta server that will one day carry billions of human connections begins its journey into existence.
The Open Compute project is really about rethinking how we design data centers. By open sourcing our hardware, we're driving innovation across the industry.
Bay 4 is open for the oversized load.
Copy that. Directing them now.
The Meta AI validation is complete. Recommendation algorithms and vision models are exceeding performance specifications.
Power levels stable across the rack. Network connectivity is solid green.
And remote management access established. Verification complete.
Before we begin filming, you must sign this comprehensive non-disclosure agreement. Pay close attention to the intellectual property clauses. We focused on modularity from the outset. This allows us to scale the architecture for different applications down the line.
The inference throughput just spiked past the previous high.
And the T-flops are holding steady at peak utilization.
Noted. Power consumption remains within tolerance.
From these humble beginnings, server technology has evolved dramatically, culminating in the powerful AI systems we see today.
So how do you respond to critics regarding the recent delays in the quantum project?
Look at the cooling design specified here in their latest patent filing.
It's nearly identical to the one in the 2018 academic paper.
As you can see, the thermal distribution is optimized. We're maintaining peak efficiency across all racks.
We organize the infrastructure into these 3 distinct layers, starting with the hardware, then the networking, and finally the software layer on top.
All right, team. The burn-in failure rate is slightly above target. We need to analyze this pattern immediately.
This configuration here is showing significant latency spikes.
Yes, I see that. We need to isolate the memory controller activity on that specific server rack.
This spike clearly indicates the memory bottleneck we discussed.
Exactly. The compute is waiting for the data right here.
Look here. This voltage dip isn't random. It's systematic across the batch.
Yes, that correlates with the thermal warnings we saw earlier.
The shortfall begins here in Q3, significantly impacting the next server generation.
What are the mitigation options? We can't afford delays.
The actual performance is dropping significantly right here. We're seeing a 12% divergence.
Is that consistent across all cores or just the memory bandwidth?
Look at this thermal spike during the resonance sweep. It exceeds the threshold.
I see it. The computational stress correlates exactly.
We need to investigate the adhesive failure.
This tool here, it's causing the thermal signature we saw. It needs to be replaced.
Okay, I'll take care of it.
With thousands manufactured each quarter and robust annual deployment, our global network now includes
AI breakthroughs are connecting us more than ever across the globe.
From North America to Europe and Asia Pacific, Meta's global data center network ensures seamless connectivity.
Welcome. Did you find everything all right?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
By the end of this program, you'll be fully certified to manage the fiber optics linking these servers.
It's an exciting time for the community.
As you can see,
The low latency of the Meta infrastructure allows us to deploy these updates globally in real time.
Harnessing the power of wind and sun, Meta data centers are now powered by 100% renewable energy.
Our water stewardship program invests in innovative solutions, from advanced recycling in our data centers.
At Meta, we're building a circular economy, maximizing the lifespan of every server through reuse and certified recycling.
If we adjust the parameters here, what happens to the data flow?
It optimizes the routing process, increasing efficiency by nearly 20%.
It's so good to see your faces.
We're all meeting up at the common room later.
This one is shipping to London.
I can't believe we're finally connected.
Still operational after all these years, this original unit provides critical testing in an otherwise sterile environment.
Hey everyone, good to see you. How is the weather over there?
It's beautiful, Andre. We miss you.
I miss you guys too. You actually brought enough to share this time.
I learned my lesson after the Great Dumpling Incident of 2023.
I still wake up thinking about those.
I joined before mobile, before Instagram, before WhatsApp, before the metaverse.
How is the integration sequence running this morning?
Everything is nominal. We streamlined the calibration on the latest run.
Excellent. Keep up the precise work.
The investigation into the Q3 incident highlighted a critical bottleneck. By implementing this new process flowchart,
We validate the thermal dynamics here. At our scale, a single hotspot can ripple across the entire data center.
right, ensuring we catch any anomaly before deployment. That this server should go to engineering for analysis.
You have seen how it is built. Now tell us, what surprised you most about what goes into the servers carrying your conversations, your phone? Next on Process Pulse Factory U, we go inside the facility making something humans have used for 5,000
including the full next generation hardware. And the complete Open Compute Design Archive is available exclusively for Process Pulse Factory.
Every week currently, a new facility,